Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss living and non-living things. Now, you have already read about the natural thing in the previous video. We have discussed about the natural thing and man-made thing. Now, we will discuss about the living and non-living things. Now, living things are those that need a food. Yes, all the living things in this earth need a food. Now, such as animals, plants, human, all need the food because they feel hunger. To fulfilling their hunger, they need the food, and for the survival of the is life. It is very important for living creature. Now, a living creature have many type of abilities to do of itself. Now they grow, they breathe, they feel, and they produce the babies, and they can move on their own. Such type of activities living creature can do by their own. Now animals, plants, and human are living things. Now you can see in the picture living things can move. Now in the picture you are watching that there are small children playing in the park as like you. Now the things produce babies. Now living creature can also produce babies. Now living things grow. Now as you are a small kid, slowly and slowly you will become young, adult, and again old. This shows that the life cycle of a living creature. Now you see that these abilities a living things have. Now non-living things are those that do not need food. Yes, because they don't feel hunger, that's why they don't require the food. Now they do not grow, breathe, and feel or produce the baby because they are non-living. That's why they can't do such type of activities by their own. Now they can't move from one place to another on their own. They need a support. Yes, they need a support to move from one place to another because they are non-living things. Now there are some example of the non-living things like chair, bed, television, table. There are many more example because this all example are the man-made thing. Yes, the non-living things are man-made things mostly because a human is a great example of living things, and by his ability he have developed such things that in the earth for his enjoyment and making his life luxurious. Such type of activities living things can do. Now there is a great difference between living things and non-living things. Now we have got a great example and difference between living things and non-living things. Again we will repeat: living things can move, can grow, breathe, feel, produce babies, and feel hunger. But non-living things cannot grow, breathe, feel, produce babies, and move from one place to another. This is a great difference between these two. Now you have seen the example like chair, bed, television, table are the man-made thing, and animals, plant, and human are the example of natural thing because it is made by the god, not by the human. This shows that a living thing is a natural, and non-living thing such as chair, bed, television is a man-made thing.